Guys, today I will be unboxing this Hoover Dual Steam Plus, so 2-in-1 steam mop. Okay, I'll just show you a picture here. So Dual Steam Mop Plus, 2-in-1 steam mop, so 2-in-1 steam mop, suitable for carpet and hard floor. Then dual tank design, then floor, brush, and even steam distribution. So swivel head. Okay, so here's how it looks. Then here are the accessories together. So 14 specialized accessories included. So wall mount bracket, then hose connector, flexible hose, head accessory connector, small round brush, large round brush, metal round brush, upholstery, window tool, upholstery pad, scraper, and jet nozzle, grout brush, mop pads. Okay, so I'm excited to use the grout brush because I can see the tiles here, so we can try this on sometime. Okay, I open this now. Okay, so first is of course the documentation, like about the manual for this mop. Okay, I need to read that one later. So accessories, so some protective pad, then this, the handle, so some pad, so another, so this is like the mop head, here is the main part, the body, so with the electrical wire connection. Check this out. So only put the water here, then there's the handle, the switch, here's the nozzle, and okay, then power button probably. Then another one is the extension hose, the nozzle at the end, and like a plug to the other nozzle. And what else? Some more accessories here. So no more thing in the backs. So here are the accessories that I showed you in the pictures. So here the actual, the small brush, then nozzle attachment, so another smaller one brush, then another brush, so it's like this one is steel, then okay, so this one is for the grout, then the angled nozzle, like a scraper, there's another attachment, so I don't know, try it out later, then another cloth. Okay, so that's it. We'll try this one later on, I will show you.